In the year of 2014 AD, Globl successfully developed the world's first smart four-way shuttle robot, Smart Pallet Handling Robot (PTR 1.0), using mechanical jacking mode. In 2016, PTR 2.0 comes out. In 2018, Globl developed the world's first hydraulic jack, PTR 3.0. In the year of 2019, Globl developed ultra-thin smart pallet handling robot, PTR 4.0. The thickness is only 12.6 centimeters, effectively increase the storage space of the smart warehouse and reduce investment costs at the same time. Integrating four-way driving, inside-to-track change, automatic handling, pallet detection, and traffic dynamic management functions in one machine. Multi-sensor in compliance with navigation, realize real-time monitoring of all automation equipment in the warehouse. Standard model rated load is 1.5 tons. The maximum load of non-standard model can do 4 tons of goods. Changeover time within 3 seconds. Lifting time 3 seconds. Positioning accuracy more or less 2 millimeters. Battery lifetime 8 to 10 hours. According to industry pain points, in 2021, Globl launched a new model which was capable to fit in running between the tracks and the ground. The amphibious pallet handling robot, PTR HDG, and fork-type ground handling robot, PTR HGA. In 2022, Globl developed the world's first multi-shuttle in one shuttle robot, Cloud Spider Smart Pallet Handling Robot, PTR HQG series, which can run on the ground and in the racks at the same time. Since 2012, Globl developed a smart pallet handling robot, dedicated dispatching system, WCS, using algorithms such as task balance, repulsion and avoidance, and business rules, so that a multi-vehicle, multi-layer, multi-area simultaneously operation can be realized, with high-efficiency operations of goods inbound, outbound, transfer in the smart warehouse. In the year of 1218, Globl designed a dedicated high-precision hoist, PTR-VS, for smart pallet handling robots, and patented in the same year. The hoist adopts rack and pinion positioning design, multiple servo motor drives. Positioning accuracy can reach within 2 millimeters. Lifting speed is 0.6 to 1.2 meters per second. According to project design requirements, it can be configured one-way, two-way, and three-way access into or out of the hoists. No height restrictions. A number of smart warehouse projects with a height of more than 20 meters were built up. In 2020, Globl developed the world's first self-loading smart pallet handling hoist, PTR-VL. It can perform automatic loading and unloading of goods in the hoist. No buffering with additional conveying equipment. Layer changing operations for both goods and smart pallet handling robots can be achieved simultaneously. Reduce the failure rate significantly. Let's make a standard warehouse with an area of 3,000 square meters and a height of 10 meters for comparison. The warehouse transformed by smart pallet handling robot can significantly increase inventory capacity, which is actually the highest storage capacity mode for the smart warehouse in the world. Globl was formally established in Zhangjiang High-Tech Park, Shanghai, in 2007. From the year of 2014, Globl Huzhou and Anhui factories were opened in succession for the purpose to make R&D and manufacture smart pallet handling robots and supporting equipment. Annual production capacity reaches more than 5,000 units. Globl successfully purchased a large number of high-end precision machining equipment, which laid a solid foundation to control product quality and smooth delivery for all projects, effectively improve production efficiency, reduce the investment cost of smart warehouse at the same time. In the year of 2015, Globl completed the world's first pallet handling robot smart warehouse project. The smart warehouse uses the first smart pallet handling robot, PTR 1.0 in the world. Adopt mechanical jacking structure. In 2016, the second generation of smart pallet handling robot came out and provides a variety of models for our customers to choose. In 2018, Globl developed the world's first hydraulic jacking smart pallet handling robot, PTR 3.0. In the year of 2019, the ultra-thin model PTR HT was developed. Since 2014, Globl has successfully completed and delivered multiple actual cases in the world, serving industries including electricity, household, medicine, household appliances, e-commerce, new energy, cold chain, and other fields. Until July 2022, the total number of successful delivery cases in Globl has reached more than 600 and completed a number of smart warehouses with more than 25 meters of height. The heavy-duty series can carry up to 4 tons of goods. Large material handling series, capable to handle the pallet size up to 2 by 2 meters. In June 2022, Globl successfully delivered the world's largest smart warehouse by using pallet handling robot. The warehouse is located in Shanghai, which has more than 40,000 locations, using more than 80 smart handling robots. Efficiency is up to 400 pallets per hour. Perform 24 hours non-stop operation. Since 2018, Globl successfully delivered multiple cold storage projects. The lowest temperature is as low as minus 25 degrees Celsius. Shanghai Smart Cold Warehouse has reached 11,565 storage locations. Through 15 years of development, Globl gradually realized the whole ecological chain of the integration of product research and development, mechanical processing, assembly testing, software development, planning consultation, integrated implementation, and after-sales service. Globl always insists on the core concept of professionalism, focus, and concentration, with the mission of manufacturing the world's leading smart pallet robot, and make due contribution to achieve the goal of smart manufacturing in China 2025 in the near future.